Take two.
Ryan, come here, wait.
Sure.
Oh, you son of a... Gust of wind. Pay no attention, children. I'm sorry for scaring you. Concentration. Nobody here has ever heard of a level. Yeah, them fumes are making me feel warm and tingly. That's gonna be so much better than the fucking cardboard sign.
For who?
Some glare on the head.
My truck's fine.
What are you gonna do with you're taking 3 months off?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do for 3 months? Besides fish and visit?
Not it.
You gonna be able to collect unemployment, or you have enough money saved up?
I'm well. I'm all right. Don't worry about that.
That's good. And that's the 2-minute mark.